Whirlpool 215 Ice Magic Power Cool 4S 200 liters Direct Cool Refrigerator Windoor. With moisture control system and micro-block Whirlpool Ice Magic. Fresh refrigerator keeps fruits and vegetables fresh for up to 7 days and preserve milk for up to 12 hours even during power cuts. Powered by micro-block technology, these refrigerators prevent up to 99.9% bacterial growth. The advanced insulated capillary technology and powerful compressor in Whirlpool refrigerators makes ice faster than any other products in its class. Vegetable Crisper with honeycomb moisture lock-in technology maintains optimum moisture in your vegetables and keeps them fresher for longer. Easy Access Fruit Crisper provides the perfect storage space for your fruits. With Whirlpool refrigerators you are guaranteed a long-lasting quality product with a 10-year warranty on the compressor. Whirlpool refrigerators can stably operate even in high fluctuation of voltage, 130V 300V, and do not require a separate stabilizer. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.